least you could talk in this one.
Yes, I have my voice back. Yay! So we're doing a taste test because
Yes.
I don't really have much for lunch materials right now, so we're gonna have snacks instead.
Why the fuck not?
So, do you want to start with drinks, or do you want to randomly see what's in here?
I have no idea.
It's up to you, my love.
Surprise me.
Let's get the... Wait, we shouldn't get this out of the way first because this is a latte, so it would have milk products, and these are not milk products. Let's go with this one first so that we can have these wash away the other stuff.
Oat milk, water and oats, hemp cream, water, hemp seeds. Yeah, there's no dairy in it. It's vegan friendly.
Yes.
So there's no
So
dairy
you
in it.
like nut juice?
I don't know.
Okay, so you're okay with this going first?
Why the hell not?
Okay, so we have Elmhurst.
Elmhurst?
I don't know, somebody's butt hurt. They made a oat milk dairy-free, it's a oat latte matcha.
Made with hemp. I
Yep.
wonder if we're going to get high. Want to get high?
It's not likely.
Fuck.
There goes the... Why am I being attacked by scissors? Oh. I have no nails.
Well, you find the entrance.
Still have no nails.
Mine are too long, so gotta be careful because if I bend it a certain way, it might break my nails.
Try the scissors. We're going to stab ourselves by accident.
You know what? Then it'll be a great day.
No.
Fuck. Why?
Because you're not the one I want to have stab themselves by accident.
Well.
Okay, now I... Ew. Well, we got it open. To another protection program.
Yeah, you could fucking do that one.
Okay.
I'm scared.
Why? Just a little bit.
Doesn't smell good.
Kind of smells like a container. That is not good oat milk.
I don't like it.
That is just bad oat milk. Doesn't even have the matcha in there. That's just bad oat milk.
That tastes like grass.
That's what matcha's supposed to taste like. You ended up tasting the matcha, which you hate matcha, don't you?
No.
Oh yeah, you like the one matcha thing. But yeah, this is just bad oat milk.
I'm going to kill her.
Here, you can have some Mexican sweet corn from Cheetos that will kill my asshole.
Yum.
So yeah, apparently it's also spicy and tangy, so I might need the bad oat milk. Oh! So it's Mexican sweet corn. It smells like spice. It looks like somebody got drunk with spices. You got the wishbone version. Let's see. Oh, I got a tiny one. Okay, the heat I'm getting now should have been in there from the start. I'm getting more... Oh my god, it's freaking melting. Fuck. Bad oat milk. Go.
I got my lunch.
I'm gonna get indigestion.
You could go to work with me tonight.
After what I've had to deal with? That sounds like a wonderful idea.
No, because after dinner they like to play 500 Rummy. They don't keep score
I'm not
either.
being sarcastic.
No, neither am I.
Okay,
You could play games with them.
So next up, we'll torture her again. This is Mystic. Orange carrot. Hey, at least you got something to quell it. Correct?
Sure. We'll go with that.
I've got nothing but bad oat milk.
You see there's still oat milk in there.
Does that make you happier?
Yeah. Because I don't want to taste oat milk and carrot. Oh, God.
I hope we can taste more of the orange. You can taste more of the orange. The carrot's in there.
Tastes like a V8. A knockoff V8.
Oh, God, the aftertaste does taste like a V8.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to shit tonight for sure.
That's one way to lose the weight.
Can we find something I like in this?
Be my guest.
I'm pretty sure I'm not going to like this one, but we got BLT. And we checked, there is no meat in this. I can wrap it later for you.
Okay.
So, yeah, this is BLT from Lay's. This is a new one. That just smells like barbecue.
No, I can taste this. Smell the bacon.
Okay. I taste bacon fat, but I'm not getting BLT. I'm getting more just barbecue.
Aftertaste is a little of the lettuce.
It's not a bad chip, but I feel like it's a mislabeled chip. Not good, not bad. Okay, let's try another torture. I'm going to hate this one. She might like this one. This is Mystic Grape Strawberry. Eagle. Smells kind of like potpourri. Tastes like some medicine.
I don't like that.
That's because it tastes like generic strawberry and grape medicine, doesn't it?
No.
Like, not the worst.
I don't get the strawberry. I get the grape.
I got a bit of the hit of the grape, but I also got a bit of the hit of the strawberry. Okay. So, let's see what else we got here. Let's do these ones.
Okay.
I think I have more boxes in the boxes. I think that there was 3 boxes. There was at least 3 boxes. Oh, I found the crunchy bar that we... I think this thing is expired. We tried this before. Yep. Expired.
You have a bag in front of you.
Oh. Okay, you eat it. Good heavens. Okay, so we got some mochi.
And it's not frozen.
Which you prefer the frozen one. We've had hit or miss with the regular ones. So the first one up is bubble milk tea. Because we just it was the one that was randomly on top.
I agree with that one. Randomness.
It's from Q. That's all I can read on this is Q. It's from Q. I'm just going to cut this open.
Watch your fingers.
I know how not to cut my fingers off. I've cut so many stickers.
which I'll be looking at later. I'm excited.
And I have more I'm going to be doing tonight.
I'm excited.
Well, that smells kind of sweet. Doesn't it smell kind of like honey?
Smells like brown sugar.
Okay, it smells like brown sugar and honey. That's an unusual flavor, but I can't place it. It doesn't really taste like brown sugar, but at the same time, it kind of does.
I like the doughiness. Too much flour, but I like the doughiness.
I actually have no idea what to say. Because to me, it's one of those things that it's like, what did I just put in my mouth?
I like that it's doughy though.
You love the doughiness.
What kind is that?
Bubble tea.
Mm.
Okay, so for the
Where do you
last...
find these at?
Those are at Five Below.
Oh.
So, next up is the Mystic Kiwi Strawberry. Which I think we'll both like this one.
Who knows? So far, all the drinks I don't like.
Yep, but I'm just like, meh. That was the least offensive grape thing I've ever had. Did I just drink a pixie stick?
I don't like it. It's too sugary.
It's a fucking pixie stick.
So far, my go-to are those freaking...
Well, we have your Diet Coke in that thing.
Oh, score!
So while she gets her Diet Coke can from there, there's only one. And her plushies.
I like my plushies. She was able to put 2 different color eyeballs. I'm excited.
And the earrings.
This is my favorite one because it reminds me of my piercing.
Okay, so next up.
There's only one in here.
Okay. Well, I think I got more, so we can just stab it again if you want.
I like that because I only have the one there.
Yeah. So, next up is, I believe this is just regular green tea one. It just says Japanese mochi. It does not tell me the frickin' flavor.
This one is scary looking.
That's taro. You've had taro before.
Okay.
Remember, you like it as the Lady Bubble one?
Oh, yes.
So, sometimes taro's pretty good.
I went to a dollar store today, and their freezer section, half of it is 3, 5, and up.
Oh, what's next? Also, because of what I was doing today, my glasses have so many spots. So
They have Ben and Jerry's now.
Well, that's good.
$5.
That's not good.
Yeah, it is. At the store, they're $6.
I meant because it's a dollar store.
They need to change the name.
Yeah.
Okay. I still like the doughy atmosphere. I like the fact that it's green paper.
Oh, you like the fact that it matches.
Uh-huh.
It's like gooey. Yeah, there's green tea.
They could have did better with the flavor.
It tastes right to me.
Not to me.
It's supposed to taste kind of grassy. Does it taste grassy?
Just slightly.
Did you want more grass?
They need to add something to it.
It tastes like grass with powdered sugar on it. I like it. But then again, I bought one of these for myself and I inhaled the thing in one night. My emotional support food. Okay, and maybe she'll like this one. I think I liked this one before. This is Sun-Kiss Strawberry Lemonade. Why are you making your plushies kiss?
Because this is Ming, and I don't remember his name.
Did you name them? Or did you just read the tag?
This is Ming. It says Ming right here. Ming.
Yeah, I got that because your other one was dying.
I know. It's still dying. I still have it. I'm never giving that one up either, even though it's seen better days.
Okay, that was just in case that one died. We got a replacement just in case.
I know. It's seen better days.
Mm-hmm.
You know how many people come over to our house and want my plushie? Just because they know the significance of it and why and when I used it.
Yep. Itadakimasu. Why did I like that one?
I don't know. The only thing it's got going for it is the fizz.
I think I just drank the sweetest carbonation ever.
Gracias por...
De nada.
Sí.
That's like the only Spanish I know.
¿Cómo está?
Très mal.
Muy mal, así. Bueno,
No bueno.
así.
No sé así. Mal. Mal.
Mucho mal.
Mal be my day. Mal be my day. Okay. So, yeah, you know that my day's been bad. Okay, so, again, from Q, it does not tell us the flavor. It's purple.
I like the color.
Hopefully we'll like the flavor. I think it's taro.
Excuse me, moi.
They should have just told us what the flavor is.
Japanese mochi. It says UBE, Taiwanese dessert.
Yeah, that doesn't tell you what it is. Ubi. Ubai.
Alexa,
Oh, that's green tea.
is ubai a flavor for mochi?
It's a
Something I found on the web. No. According to Wikipedia, mochi is Japanese rice cake made of...
Alexa, shut up. It's basically a potato.
That's potato.
Not the type of potato you're thinking. Japan has some freaking sweet potatoes. I think it's a type of sweet potato. Either taro or sweet potato.
I still love that you did that for me.
Yep. It's not going to kill you, and we also have the baggie here.
Okay.
Oh, God, this one's hard in the middle.
It is hard. Get it hard. Alright, this is not as gooey, and I don't like it because it's not as gooey.
This is a weird flavoring. Shut up, Alexa.
Although it's very chewy.
I am not a fan.
It's not gooey. I mean, it's not...
Okay, the center that we got was brown. That's purple. I mean, it's not bad. It's just like, do I want to eat it? Not so much. I'm not offended. My foot's asleep.
Go for it.
What, my foot's asleep?
So far, the only two successes we had for me today, the Cheetos and the chips.
Okay. Do you want anything else to try? We got more shit. We got some Kinder Bueno eggs.
What?
Oh, we got some eggs. We got some more Kinder stuff. I think I had gotten a bunch of Buenos. And some jelly beans. And some M&M's.
M&M's.
Wake up. And some Rice Krispie eggs. What eggs? We got eggs. We also got Kisses and all sorts of chocolate and Oreos.
All right, let's try this, and we'll see where our stomachs are.
Okay, where do you want to start? You want to send me to hell.
You sent me to hell by starting with the oat milk.
That sucked for both of us. She gave me Fruit Loops that are jelly beans. Which I think we got this Five Below too.
I don't remember.
What the hell do we have? Okay, so does it at least tell me what flavors? It's Fruit Loops. All the flavors are Fruit Loops. Like, they're all gonna taste the same. They're Fruit Loops. And grab the purple one. Tastes like a Fruit Loop, but I hate jelly beans.
I love Fruit Loops.
Do you love this? Not enough to get to Bry, see what torture he'd go through. It's obnoxiously sweet.
Give it to one of your coworkers.
Well, I can't push them for the how I'm feeling right now, so yeah. I love them.
I know you do.
So which ones? Because we got two blends.
Let's do Riceys.
That sounded like you said Riceys.
I said Riceys.
It's Reese's.
It's Rice Krispies. You said Reese's.
Okay, so Rice Krispie treats. I'm just thinking because I also hate these too.
I love Rice Krispies.
And that's another reason why I just ended up calling them Reese's, because she loves them, I hate them.
I got a football.
Oh yeah, that's one of the stress things I play with. So these are the egg things. What? You like my calcium? I'm still working on cleaning up. So
Yum.
I don't think we've been ever fans of the candy of Rice Krispies, huh?
I have.
I don't think I've ever been.
I can make my own Rice Krispies.
It's the candy, not the treat. Oddly enough, that tastes like just Rice Krispies
Mm-hmm.
with white chocolate. Not a fan because of how powdery it tastes.
I like it.
Good for you. You can have whatever amount you want.
Okay, I'm a waffle man.
Let's go with M&M's next. Because this is probably going to suck too. Because it's another marshmallow crispy treat. Did they just all get together and just go, we're going to do marshmallow crispies?
Well, you got these around Easter.
True. And before you say, oh, it's artificial flavor, it is artificial flavored. It looks smaller than normal. Look at that. Looks like M&M's went on a diet. You got all three colors. Just tastes like what we just ate, without the crispy thing of the actual crispy. I'm guessing you concur. Agree.
I thought when I was nodding my head or something, I thought I knocked that down.
Oh yeah,
That's why I looked at you.
So these should taste the same, but I'm not sure because
We're opening them both, so fuck it.
Yeah. So do you want the bunny or the eggs first?
I don't care.
Want the scissors? So we got the eggs and the bunnies, both from Kinder Bueno. Will this quit falling asleep? Okay, first up is the Kinder Bueno
Monkey.
How did you get a freaking monkey? We got chickens, we got monkeys, we got a lot of bunnies. I got the bunny.
I got a monkey.
Oh, good thing I didn't get the bunny. Its ears broke off.
It doesn't even look like a fucking monkey.
I thought those were ears, but it was just its head. It just tastes like a Kinder Bueno.
Mm-hmm. That's pretty funny though.
Here's a Bueno egg. I love the fact I'm calling them Bueno eggs, even though they're called Kinder Buenos. Which I heard that these are at not as good as the real Kinder chocolate that they have. But I like this thing because, boop, I can break this egg in half and looks like a little football helmet.
Even though they're the same, that one's better.
Because it has a waferishness.
Yeah.
Also, it's fun to just break it in half. So yeah, the little bit of wafer that it has gives a more textural thing, and I like this better. So
This one tastes more like a Kinder Bueno.
Yeah. But they are both good.
Mm-hmm.
This is more...
Now, I didn't say they weren't, but what I'm saying is...
Oh, no. That's what I'm saying. We're both saying that they're good.
Just one is a better Kinder Bueno.
Yeah.
We're accustomed to.
This one is, you put it in your mouth and you can suck on it. Basically, so that, if you have, I'm saying basically a lot.
So she wants to suck on it.
What? If you're sneaking chocolate when you're not supposed to eat, you can put that in your cheek and just suck it away while, so you don't have to chew.
Or you could be me and just stuff a handful of M&Ms in your damn mouth and call it a day.
So, how do you feel? Do you want any more things to try?
I don't want no more sweetness.
Not even cookies?
No more sweetness.
Okay. So the only other things that we have that are not sweet are our Puitos. Do you want to try those today?
We do that another time.
Okay, so
that way we have something to balance it out. Like we had these two.
Yep. So the only thing I really liked out of this was the Bueno. Everything else has been kind of crap. I'm guessing those are her favorite.
These and these.
Yeah. Those seem incomplete though. Not bad, but incomplete. And that one needs to work on its heat ratio. But I will catch you guys later. We are just going to kill ourselves on junk food. Bye.
Bye.